Here's a quick question to test your logic skills. Find the missing number before time runs out. And remember, guessing confidently still counts emotionally. Take a close look at this 3x4 matrix. The numbers in the matrix are 5, 3, and 4 in the first column. In the second column, the numbers are 4, 1, and 4. In the third column, the numbers are 1, 2, and 1. And in the fourth column, there are only two numbers, 8 and 2, with the third number missing. You need to calculate the missing number and select it out of 4 possible choices: A, 3, B, 5, C, 7, or D, 9. Can you solve it on your own and choose the right answer? The trick pattern here is simple, but it's hidden from the plain sight for most. Instead of looking at columns, look at the row instead. 5 plus 4 minus 1 equals 8. In fact, each row is calculated as follows. The first number plus the second number minus the third number equals the fourth number. Take a look at the second row. 3 plus 1 minus 2 equals 2. And now it's the magic time to calculate the missing number. 4 plus 4 minus 1 equals 7. And the correct answer here is choice C, 7. If this video challenged your brain, you'll enjoy other practice questions and online training for everyone. And make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who thinks they're smarter than you. Thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video.